Beneath the waves, there exists an unexplored world more alien than any other on Earth. For over 2 billion years, our planet has been covered in a vast and mysterious ocean that makes up over 70% of its surface. Yet we know more about the far side of the moon than the deepest trenches of our own planet's watery abyss. Despite this, it seems like everything is changing now as innovators are developing cutting-edge technologies that will finally allow us to explore every last pocket of our planet's great water expanses. From submarines that can reach the ocean floor in minutes to AI-powered robots that can map the ocean floor in record time, here are 5 incredible inventions that are set to revolutionize underwater exploration and reveal the secrets of our oceans once and for all. 1. Triton, 36,000 light-years. Submersible. We have always dreamed of exploring deep sea life, but the harsh environment of the ocean depths poses numerous challenges. However, thanks to Triton 36,000, this dream may soon become a reality. This one-of-a-kind submersible is equipped with state-of-the-art technology that allows it to reach depths of up to 36,000 feet in just 2 minutes, making it the fastest manned vehicle to reach such extreme depths. The Triton 36,000 is not just fast, but also incredibly luxurious. The submersible features large windows to provide panoramic views of the deep sea surroundings, comfortable seating, and a spacious interior to accommodate up to 3 people. It even has a built-in toilet for long-duration dives. But the Triton 36,000 is not just for pleasure cruises. It can also be used for scientific research and exploration. Its advanced technology allows scientists to study deep sea life and geology in a way that has never been possible before. They can collect samples and data from extreme depths with ease and bring them back to the surface for analysis. With the Triton 36,000, the possibilities for deep-sea exploration are truly endless. It is a game-changer for anyone who wants to experience the thrill of exploring the unknown. Whether you are a scientist, an explorer, or just someone who loves the ocean, the Triton 36,000 is the ultimate submersible for you. So if you are ready to take the plunge and explore the depths of our oceans, then book your trip on the Triton 36,000 today. 2. Ocean Infinity. Mapping the ocean floor with AI-powered robots. Mapping the ocean floor is no easy task. It's a massive undertaking that requires ships equipped with sonar systems to create detailed maps of the seabed. But what if there was a faster and more efficient way to do it? Enter Ocean Infinity, a company that is revolutionizing the way we map the ocean floor using artificial intelligence-powered robots. Ocean Infinity's fleet of unmanned surface vessels, or USVs, equipped with cutting-edge sonar technology, can map the ocean floor with unprecedented speed and accuracy. These AI-driven robots can collect high-resolution bathymetric data, which is essential for a variety of applications, including maritime navigation, offshore construction, and scientific research. The collected data is processed by Ocean Infinity's advanced AI algorithms to create detailed maps of the ocean floor that can be used for various purposes. One of the most significant advantages of Ocean Infinity's technology is its speed and efficiency. The company claims that its AI-powered robots can map the ocean floor up to 10 times faster than traditional methods, making it a game-changer in the field of marine mapping. In addition to its speed, Ocean Infinity's technology is also highly accurate. The company's high-resolution maps have a vertical accuracy of less than 10 centimeters, which is crucial for applications such as offshore wind farm development and underwater pipeline construction. Ocean Infinity has already completed several successful mapping projects, including a recent project in the Baltic Sea where its USVs mapped over 5,000 square kilometers of the seabed in just a few days. The company's technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we map the ocean floor, opening up new possibilities for exploration and discovery. 3. Flying fish. Exploring coral reefs like never before. Exploring coral reefs has always been challenging, but a new invention called flying fish is changing everything. This remarkable device allows scientists and divers to explore coral reefs in a way that was never before possible. The flying fish is a hybrid underwater flying vehicle that can travel both above and below the water surface. It's perfect for exploring shallow coral reefs that are typically difficult to access. This groundbreaking invention can fly through the water at speeds of up to 6 knots, making it perfect for chasing fish or capturing footage of dolphins. What sets the flying fish apart from other underwater vehicles is its unique ability to land on the surface of the water without creating a splash. This makes it ideal for covert missions where stealth is required. The flying fish can be equipped with cameras and sensors to collect data on the health of the coral reef ecosystem. Scientists can use this data to monitor the health of coral reefs and develop new methods for protecting these fragile ecosystems. Not only is the flying fish an incredible technological achievement, but it also has the potential to make significant contributions to our understanding of the ocean. Its ability to fly both above and below the water surface makes it a versatile tool for exploring the ocean environment. Overall, the flying fish is a game-changer in the world of underwater exploration. Its innovative design and capabilities make it an exciting development that will undoubtedly have a significant impact on our ability to explore and understand the ocean. 4. The Deepsea Challenger, reaching the hadal zone. The ocean is full of mysteries, and one of the most intriguing aspects of our planet's largest body of water is the hadal zone. This is the deepest part of the ocean where light cannot penetrate and where temperatures are near freezing. For years, this area has been largely unexplored because of the immense pressure and darkness that characterize the hadal zone. However, a team of engineers and scientists has developed the Deepsea Challenger, a submersible vehicle designed to withstand the extreme conditions of the hadal zone. With the Deepsea Challenger, scientists will be able to explore this mysterious part of the ocean like never before. The Deepsea Challenger is equipped with cutting-edge technology to help scientists explore the hadal zone. One of the key features of this submersible is its ability to withstand the crushing pressure of the deep ocean. At the deepest point of the ocean, the pressure is over 1,000 times that of the surface. To withstand this pressure, the Deepsea Challenger is made from a titanium hull that is over an inch thick. This thickness provides the necessary strength to ensure that the submersible does not collapse under the immense pressure. Another feature of the Deepsea Challenger is its advanced imaging technology. The submersible is equipped with high-resolution cameras that can capture stunning images of the deep sea environment. These cameras are also equipped with powerful lights that can penetrate the darkness of the hadal zone to reveal the hidden wonders of this mysterious part of the ocean. The Deepsea Challenger's exploration of the hadal zone is expected to provide valuable insights into the unique ecosystem that exists in this extreme environment. Scientists believe that there may be new species of deep-sea animals that have never been discovered before. In addition to the imaging technology, the Deepsea Challenger is also equipped with sensors that can measure the temperature, salinity, and depth of the water. This data will help scientists better understand the physical properties of the hadal zone and how they affect the organisms that live there. Overall, the Deepsea Challenger is a remarkable feat of engineering and technology. Its ability to withstand the extreme conditions of the hadal zone will allow scientists to explore this mysterious part of the ocean like never before. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the darkest depths of the deep sea? 5. Seaglider, gliding through the water at high speed. Seaglider is a revolutionary new way to experience the joy of gliding through the water at high speed. This sleek and efficient watercraft is designed to mimic the movement of a dolphin, allowing riders to glide effortlessly through the water with ease. With its unique shape and propulsion system, the Seaglider is able to achieve speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest watercraft of its kind. One of the most exciting features of the Seaglider is its ability to ride the waves. Thanks to its hydrodynamic design, the Seaglider can effortlessly carve through the water, providing riders with an exhilarating experience that is sure to get their adrenaline pumping. Whether you are looking for a thrilling new way to enjoy the water or you are a thrill seeker looking for the ultimate water adventure, the Seaglider is the perfect choice. Its combination of speed, agility, and maneuverability makes it easy to use, allowing even beginners to enjoy the thrill of gliding through the water with ease. The ocean's final frontier. As we continue to explore the depths of our oceans, we will undoubtedly make many more incredible discoveries. Who knows what other amazing creatures and ecosystems await us in the unexplored regions of our planet's watery abyss? With advancements in technology, we are just beginning to scratch the surface of what is possible when it comes to underwater exploration. The future is bright for those who are passionate about the ocean and eager to uncover its many secrets.